100,000 of them, almost the entire world population, are here. They are gigantic. A male can weigh over a ton, and many die in the scrum. On a beach 250 miles to the west, there's a further danger. Polar bears. They too have been forced to spend more time ashore by the dwindling ice. And now, they're very hungry. But adult walrus are tough, well-armed, and agile in water, and could fatally injure the bear. He's failed. The narrow beaches here are backed by cliffs, and some walrus scramble up them, escaping the crowd. At the top, they are 80 meters above the beach. The bears have got up here too. The walrus's instinct is to find safety in the water. They can still smell the sea, and they can hear it. Just the polar bear's presence is enough to spook the walrus. Many walrus that climb the cliffs never make it back to the ocean. Even once the polar bears have moved on, the walrus need to return to the sea, and some take the nearest way to do so. As one crashes on the rocks, those on the beach stampede, and more lives are lost. In the course of just a few days, over 200 walrus die. Now the polar bears can feed on the carcasses.